The most efficient dealer wash on today's market. Made out of rugged stainless steel, all the porter does is idle through the wash, which is activated by a hard rubber treadle pad. Both guide rails are plastic coated to make sure that all high-profile wheels never get scratched. The circular midder curtain with the two 360-degree flex wraps and the rocker panel washers will wash a vehicle perfectly in approximately 1 minute. The AutoGuard wash sets the industry standard. Contact AutoGuard for additional information on other items that can be incorporated into your wash, such as spot-free water systems, dryers, and any other wash accessories that you might require.